Hello guys, how are you? And hope you are doing well, and welcome again in another video. Today's video is about explaining some things and trying to make you more professional and know how to play instead of searching on YouTube and other shit webs and taking money from site to site in VIP groups and all this. I will teach you how when I will show you one of a lot of tricks on how to fetch the best matches for you and without asking a lot. Okay, so let's start the business. All right, for example, before you start a match, try to maintain 5 tips as usual. For example, the first one is play only on the teams you know. This should be the most important idea. For example, in Spain Copa del Rey, for example, this team UE Vic versus Sporting de Mahun, I don't know it. Okay, so I have another options, a lot of options, in fact, a lot of options. So why should I stick with this while I have another matches? Sorry for the interruption. So let's continue what we were saying. For example, as I told you before, for example, we don't have to play on this match while we have another options. But if, for example, all the matches are unknown for us and we want to play today, we will do a math. For example, let's check this. By the way, this Sitweb SofaScore is a very good Sitweb for the bettors. For example, we will make a prediction here. For example, first team will win, and we'll see the percentage. Other players know this team, and they vote for this. So we know which team will win with over than 50%. So we will go to another options here in matches, and we see this team or head to head, okay, and this team, for example, home on this tournament. So we see the previous 5 matches. I don't know where to find it here, but we will do this from this, the profile and matches here, Copa del Rey. So this tournament is on Copa del Rey, so this league is a little bit just started, so we don't have an archive for it. So we will go back and go back again and play other match. For example, this. As we see here, odds here are very high than this, so there's a possibility of this team to win, so we will choose the second. So the percentages are close to each other, so there is a risk here. This is what we want to play. This team win 9 matches, no loss for 6 matches, no losses ever, 11 matches for this team. So the possibilities are higher to this team. So here we have to do another trick. We won't play that this team will win, no, but we will choose this team will score at least 1 goal in the match, and you have to do this strategy to all the other matches. We go, for example, to this team. We know this, but it's for ladies, women. Is with a Champions League women. So the second tip is avoid odd distractions. Yes, avoid odd distractions. 1xbet, okay, 1xbet. Okay, 1xbet. I will show you how. This, for example, we'll go to sports and football and England Premier League For example, this. So, Tottenham Hotspur versus West Ham United. I choose this league because we know most of these teams. Tottenham Hotspur versus West Ham United. So, as we see here, the first team is 1.5, second team is 5.85. So, this odd is a delusion. How is that? This match will be on 19th October. So, it's after the national team's matches. So, the players will be exhausted and tired. So, Tottenham Hotspur have most players playing with national team. So, the initial squad or lineup will be tired, while West Ham United have fewer players that will be invited for the national team's matches. So, Tottenham Hotspur will be tired more than West Ham United. Second, they put this 1.5 because the engineers of this sitweb know that Tottenham Hotspur may not win. So they starting from today, they start increasing this bit, this odd, and decreasing this and this. You know why? Because the possibility of winning will get lower and lower and lower. So when you take a look today and you see it's 1.5 odds, and tomorrow it will be 1.7, what you will say? You will say that, oh my god, this is increasing, I have to take the chance and play on it. So it's a trap. Don't ever do that. You have to play. The most important tip that you have to keep in mind is, please don't ever play a match before more than 1 day. Okay? And it will be better if you just pay or make your bet just 30 minutes or 1 hour before the match, or at least after knowing the lineups of each team. For example, an injury will come and the last day, so you don't have to do that. Okay? So Tottenham Hotspur versus West Ham United, for example, should be treated or played just 1 hour before the match, not now. The third tip is stay away from your favorite team. Yes, for example, I will reveal my preferred team. I am a Madridista. I love Real Madrid and Manchester United and also AC Milan. So, as a Real Madrid fan, I will always try to bet on Real Madrid without seeing the adverse. For example, if they play against Barcelona, I will choose Real Madrid. If they play against Manchester City, I will choose Real Madrid. If they play the whole universe, galaxy, all stars, I will choose Real Madrid. So this is a trap. Also, you don't have to play. You have 2 or 3 possibilities. One of the first possibility, don't ever play on your favorite team. For example, you don't have to play on Real Madrid. Second, if you just want to play, if they are host team plays, you can make the first team will win. But if they are guest team, you have to play on double chance. Either the second team will win or they will draw. The third match, you have to play it in an individual ticket without other teams. Okay. The fourth tip is always try to check the last 5 matches. This will help you do it. Will help you make an idea to how to do it. For example, these last 5 matches, for example, recent games, previous meetings, for example, Real Madrid versus Celta Vigo. This is only against Celta Vigo, but recent games is like this. For example, Real Madrid versus Villarreal, Real Madrid won. Real Madrid versus Lille, Real Madrid lost. Real Madrid versus Atletico Madrid, they draw. Real Madrid versus Deportivo Alaves, they won. Real Madrid versus Espanyol, they won. The most important thing here, do not play Real Madrid well, but you can play Real Madrid score, because they score on all matches almost, except Lille, but they didn't win in all matches. Okay, this is the best strategy for you. The other match is play safe matches and avoid strong teams. What does it mean? We will go back to England and I will give you a example. There is no, so for example, this match, Liverpool versus Chelsea. All what you have to do is to either avoid this match, don't play on it, or play only goals, or play this ticket individually, separately, alone, with no other matches, because this match have a lot of tricks. Okay, this is the most 5 tips for today, and I will improve my way of explaining and editing video. And also please put in the comments what you want me to change or what to do, because I am new at editing videos. I will give you another ideas for free, of course. All what I want you to do is just to like and subscribe and make a comment, and thank you very much. And also stay tuned, because I will give you a hint today, another video for the tomorrow's matches. Okay, take care of yourselves and see you later. Thank you.